The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
Good
mode.
morning, fellas. Today is Wednesday. Got it right this time. Today is Wednesday, September 29. James, good morning. Jim, Tim, guys, good morning. Good morning. We had a terrific trade yesterday. Let's keep it going. Just to quickly update you guys, we had, there's the 8 o'clock bell. We have had one, Francis, good morning. We have had one bot trade this morning on the ES. First target winner. Bot is up 312 at this point. Markets are up. I don't expect that to last. Nasdaq's up 107. ES is up 24. YM is up 143. Russell's up 15 and a half. Gold is up $6. Stocks are green in the pre-market across the board. We'll see what we get. I think we trade, let's see, NASDAQ, I guess, can get back to 15,000. I don't think so. We shall see. We shall see. We do have crude inventories today, fellas. It is Wednesday. I did not look at API data. That's all we have. Pending home sales at 10, but crude inventory at 10:30. I don't know if we have any speakers today. Evan speaks at 8 o'clock. William speaks at 9 and noon. No earnings of any interest. Quickly taking a look around. Volume is high again in the Nasdaq. 130,000 contracts have traded. 1,300 net buyers. Volume is high in the ES. 3,000 net sellers, though they're buying that down a bit in the last 15 minutes. Gold has buyers, decent volume. Crude has, negligible, 170 net sellers, nothing. No, nothing. It is inventory day. And YM, 800 buyers. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. I did put some trades in member Skype yesterday. And let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll see what we can come up with. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So 63 short, hit first target at 54. I still think it'll come 48. It could come lower. Yeah, yes. Yeah, for me. Yes. 63, maybe 62. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Reportedly, Iraq and Turkey plan to rehabilitate an oil pipeline, according to the Iraq Order filled.
So it looks like the NQ just shorted on the accelerated. We have on the accelerated, I'm tracking them individually now. There's the NQ. New candle coming here. So if you guys wanted gold and I missed it, you dog, hit my 40 target. I missed it. See what happens in 25 seconds on the Nasdaq. Gold, anybody take the gold short? 38 would be the next target. Anybody short gold?
Overall, U.S. equity futures are looking at a higher open. The S&P mini is looking to recoup about 0.5% after yesterday's move lower. Nasdaq 100 futures up 0.6%. We're seeing modest rebound in Europe, led by the CAC is up, which is up more than 1%. The FTSE 100 higher by about 1% as well.
Okay, Rich. 38. Next target.
The German 10-year yield lower by about a basis point at 21 basis points. Dollar index up another 20 ticks at 93.91. The strength in the dollar index continues. Looking at the best levels since about a year ago here for the dollar index.
Best levels in a year for the dollar index. Here comes that 48 target now. Okay, Dana. Here comes that 48 on Nasdaq. Did we get it? We got 48.50. Come on. 2 more ticks. You're not going to give me the 2 ticks? Well, in this case, it was 2. I don't know. The dollar index is at the highest it's been in a year. 10-year bond is at 1.51. 1.51. It's going to 1. I mean, they're saying, I'm clearly no bond expert, but the target projections are about 1.8. The 10-year note and the 30-year bond are shorts. Let me look at 10-year right now. Yeah, 10 years a short. If you guys trade ZN and Ninja. And the 30-year. A 30-year should trade down to 159.9. 159.9. It's not much. 6 ticks or so from here. But if it breaks down, we could come 58.9 if you guys trade ZB. All right, 148 target hit. Got my 2 ticks. Now, you guys are in from 62, 63. If you guys wish to hold Nasdaq, it's a free trade from here. Completely free. Targets are hit.
PBOC commenting, reiterating the viewpoint that housing is not for speculation. Reiteration of the Chinese Central Bank PBOC.
We're going to come into 15-minute support at 42. If that breaks, you're going to get 32. So we didn't get target here yet at 39. So again, for those of you that are on trial, and anybody that may watch this video when it's posted, these are the accelerated growth bots. The original has taken 1 trade on the ES, and that was a winner. You guys may notice that over and above the fact that these are in SIM, I have gone to individual. I'm tracking them individually instead of gross. Let me look at crude. CL. Should get a bounce right here in crude. Anybody hanging on to the Nasdaq? Anyone still short NQ from 62, 63? Okay, John. Okay, Ray. Targets have been hit. Now it's just, let's see if we can get something else out of this. I would think gold got to 38.7. I still think gold's going to come down. Yeah, yes, let me look at that. Yeah, it's not above the 50, not even close to the 50. I see the ES with a better shot of coming to 43.26, which is 100. So back up to 44.05 to 44.10, huh? Okay.
Then it down to the bottom of the hour with the Canada Industrial
Crude bounced off its support.
0.3%. Material price index seen at minus 1.5%. It's a Brazilian budget balance data for August. Industrial product price minus 0.3%. Raw material price minus 2.4%, both minus 1.5% expectation.
Crude has really good hourly support at 74.62. If you guys like crude long, I have a 75.92 target. You can take crude long on the hourly, and my stop would be below 62, maybe 58 on CL. It is inventory day, so, we never know what we're going to get. I will shut my, all right, 38 target hit on gold from 42. I will shut my CL bot off by 10 o'clock. Natural gas. I need gas to turn up on the hourly. We could look at along there. Gold has flipped on the hourly. Next area of support if you're short gold is going to be 37-ish. 37. Nasdaq just bouncing around. We on the Nasdaq are down to 300 net buyers. That's it. We came in, we had over 1,000. We're down to 300. 300. Let me look at this one stock I like for a short or for puts. I would think where we're at now, Amazon calls might be interesting. Back up to 33.52. Yeah, it's holding. Amazon is holding the bottom of. I mean, it's the bottom of support. I would think we get a bounce. PayPal. Let me look at PayPal. PYPL. Boy. Man, I'd have a hard time being long PayPal. I think PayPal is headed down to 240. Tesla forecast to top deliveries expectations after massive trajectory in September. Fellas, let me move these. We're pretty slow right now, so if you guys are interested in options, I'm going to give you what I'm looking at right now, okay?
Target filled.
Nasdaq, you guys got a 30 handle trade here on Nasdaq coming, if you're still in it. All right, guys, Boeing. It's better than almost 40 handles. I'm guessing this is our pullback ahead of the open. Let me take a look around and see what I got. Natural gas. Nothing. No. You can text it to me. Can you text me a pic or do you want to email it? Okay. YM. Nice, John. Very nice. Nice. My opinion is we'll get a bounce, an oversold bounce today, early, and then throw it up again. That's what I'm hoping for. Gold is getting a bounce off of support at 37.
Order filled.
Natural gas. Nothing, guys. The only trades I had was the Nasdaq, which is coming up on 40 handles, and good morning, Becky. Blessings to you as well. So we had a couple of order flow trades. We had gold, which was a big winner, and we had Nasdaq, which was a big winner. This may be where we start to pop up off of this pivot. Okay, Mimi.
Top of the Brazilian.
Bucket list. All right. So ES is at 43.60. Is this your long? Is that your long, Mimi? All right. So I'm late on it, right? By 2 handles. Nasdaq's getting its bounce too. Careful with the Nasdaq, guys. Guys, ES back to 65, 66. If you guys are interested in an ES long.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Target 1 for me, 65 quarter. Stop is 55 half. ES is going to have to push up right here, and it goes to 66. Nasdaq also, dang it. Come on, Nasdaq. Huge. Guys, that may have been our down move. And now we, I think, trade up early morning. Nasdaq may pull back again. Russell's getting a bid. If Russell turns up on the 10-minute, it's not up yet. Let me go to a bigger time frame here. Cannot get a bid in gold. I missed that short. Well, I gave it to you guys, but I was busy with Nasdaq. Yeah, the Kenai River. Yeah, it's on my bucket list. It's on my bucket list. That's because I didn't send a link, Deepak. I did not send a link. I can't do class today. My intention was to do Monday's class today. I cannot. YM looks the strongest to me right at the moment. Yeah, that's what I'm so what I'm thinking, Mimi, is we trade higher for the first part of the session, and that would be in line with what you're saying, would be in line with what I'm thinking. and then we roll over again. That's my thoughts. Hugely oversold. Yes, this stupid yes. Ugh, I don't even know why I waste my time. All right, crude opens here momentarily. No movement in gas. It's fairly slow, guys. Very nice trade in Nasdaq. Very nice trade in gold. Did he? Okay. Yeah, I'll probably hit Tesla on the open. What month, Mimi? October what did he do? Oh, okay.
That's hardware. Its inflation should come in around 4% for 2021 and a bit over 2% next year. Expects GDP growth to come in at around 6.5% this year, moderating to 3.5% next year. Marker says it will soon be time to begin slowly and methodically tapering asset purchases. You would not expect any interest rate hikes.
All right, guys, 9 o'clock. I'm going to take my breakfast break. I will be back. 10 seconds, guys. Let them do what they're going to do. We are off.
Trading on the NYSE has commenced.
Plus GTC sees oil market 1.1 million barrel per day deficit in 2021 and 1.4 million barrel per day surplus next year under their baseline scenario.
Getting a bid, guys. Got a bid. We have a small bid here. Let's see what we get. 100. We got 24 net sellers. We're stuck at the pivot now. Boeing gapped up over the entry. Let it pull back. Ticks opened at plus 1,000. All right. Well, where's our short? We should pull back. Maybe VWAP. If we opened at plus 1,000, we should get a pullback. Tesla doing nothing on the open. Russell selling. No bot trades. Q's trying to get a bid. I'm already in. D, I'm in. I bought him right in the open. I paid $8.80. Longs, guys. We have buyers. Let me see if I can get this. Damn it, I missed that 32. Buyers. We have buyers. Damn it. Guys, I'm already long Tesla, just so you know. I jumped them. I didn't wait for it to cross that entry line. I bought them. Come on, give me a pullback. Failed at VWAP. We shouldn't. We have almost 600 buyers. Let me go to a smaller time frame. I missed my entry in the small time frame. Feds Harker saying it's not certain what will happen to commercial real estate as more people work remotely. Seen that movie. If Tesla gets above 84.50, it's going to make it up to that 86 entry, 86 half entry. Small sellers in here. Guys, when this crosses VWAP, I'm long. We need to get this idiot to stop speaking.
Stop filled.
We're just chunking around. Let me look at Nasdaq. Yeah, we're just chunking around, guys. We haven't gone longs yet, other than the 1 minute. Yes, I have Bupkis. Tried to go, failed. Russell doing its usual morning swoon. I don't want to be short. Gold is going to go long. Crude is just chopping itself to death.
Order filled.
Watch this Nasdaq. I don't want to be short, but I have no reason to be long yet. Tesla came close, did not break that area. If the Nasdaq can catch a bid, Tesla will go. Man, Dollar Tree gapped up a stinking mile and went from there. Good Lord. This is our consolidation, and we've got 600 buyers, guys. $620. All right, fellas. I'm going to try a long in a second here. Probably 38. Right?
Order filled.
Yeah, I jumped it. Hang on, guys. Target 1 is off. Come on, break out above 54.50. Let's go. Let's do it. There goes Tesla. Trying. Oh, Nasdaq, you dog. Gave some back.
Stop filled.
Gave some back on the runner. There's no sellers, guys. Watch for a, let's see here, maybe a 10 long. Nice job, Greg. Yeah, hell, you had that initial Nasdaq short, man. Let me just look at stocks. We're green across the board. And Tesla's up 350, $4. Here is yet the
Politics Greens for leader Baerbock saying that they want swift coalition talks should not have a repeat of 2017's lengthy coalition negotiations.
there it is. Now let's see what we get here.
Silver futures down about 3% today. The spot market hitting 12 level since July of 2020.
Buyers, 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 buyers. Got buyers in here. Big buyers here. Somebody bought 60 contracts at 22.25. Morning, Greg. Somebody bought 60 cars at 22.25. Watch that area. Not what I expected on the open here, fellas. Dollar Tree is just racing. Boeing pulled back to the entry and bounced. That was a good entry. Watch this 22.5. See if they buy them again. 22.25. You got another 20. No. Oh, guys, I'm going to take a long on the Nasdaq.
Order filled.
I'm long on the Nasdaq, guys. And my stop is going to be, I got to get this stop out of here. 2.25. Come on, Nasdaq. You got buyers. We've got 700 plus. We're fighting 30-31. Come on, you stink face. No. Nope. Buyers here and here. Come on, get up there. Come on. 600 plus buyers, guys, on the session. Trying to get to 7, 630, 630, 650. Come on, get back above the 68. It's got to get back above 22. Come on. Oh, my God. I need it back above 18.5 to start. It's not going to do it. Well, maybe. If this area holds, guys, this could be our move up. Stop held. Still have small net buyers, losing them on the daily. No buyers. Lost them all. That's it for me.
Stop filled.
Out. Fuck. Maybe yesterday's close now, 64. Damn it. There goes our delta. Yep, it's a bastard. Guys, I went long with the buy. I went long. Crude got target 1. I went long with the buyers right in here. Somebody bought 60 contracts at 22.25. $209 seller here. I think we're coming down to 65. There's no buyers at 300 in this candle. We're not moving it anywhere.
Order filled.
Russell is shorted on the bot, and I'm frozen. I can't move it. I can't begin to tell you how absolutely and utterly annoying this is. My DOM is frozen. My charts are frozen. I'll move it when I can, guys. There we go. Nasdaq back up to 500 buyers. 600. How is this not getting a bid? Went negative delta. We're back up 600. Russell is basically flat. $650. It looks like they're trying to buy him back. My DOM is still frozen.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, now we're going. We're going. We're about ready to go. We're long. Now up to 1,400 net buyers. What a rat bag. One more down move. Think that guy at 22 quarters happy now? 60 cars? If we get through 50 area, 54, this. All right, Mike, say it. There's your close above VWAP. There's your close above VWAP. If we get above 54, this is going to blow up. That's the resistance. We have 1,700 buyers, guys. Above 54, this is going to blow up.
Order filled.
There you go.
Stop filled.
These guys, man, I'll tell you. Long with the big guy. 60 cars. Long with the big guy. Now we got to break out above 80. Look at Tesla. Ooh, booyah. Let me check my calls, guys. Last traded at 1017. I'm in at 880. Anybody in Tesla? It just crossed our entry line. I bought them early. There's Tesla. Right, there was your entry. I bought them early. I bought 790s. I bought 790s. Yeah, I was aggressive on the entry, but I was anticipating that this market is going to trade up for the first 30 minutes to an hour, and then if we're going to sell, that's when they'll sell. I'm so pissed at that last trade.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we just need Tesla to break out of,
Stop filled.
get above the cloud, above 88.50. Another buck from here, and it goes. Look at this son of a rat bag, no good, rotten, redheaded stepchild. Seriously, just a rotten, no good, dirty, 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 dirty. We're longs, guys. Probably back up to 900. Then we'll see what we get. Going to 20,000. I wouldn't go buying any $1 million houses yet. I think this is just a dead cat bounce. My opinion. I'm not moving to California. Our closest friends in the world are leaving Saturday morning for Fresno. Here comes 900. Remember yesterday I said I think we can get to 903, and remember Skype I put that 903. I'm so annoyed. We could trade 926. Are those? What do you mean? No, I give them to you for free. Why do you want to buy them? I give them to you for free. What do you want to buy? I put them on the screen. Bashkar, you don't need. I'm not gonna. I don't have time to send out emails for what I'm doing for free. I don't never have time. Yeah, mine are now bid 1217. I'm up almost 50%. I put them. I do them by 8:45 every morning. Look, I put on Boeing, open gap up, pulled back right to the entry, and is gone. Perfect trade. I gave you guys Boeing. I gave Dollar Tree, but that gapped up over the entry. No trade on Dollar Tree. I told you Tesla. Here's Tesla.
Cryptocurrency tends to be more of a speculative investment.
There's your entry. And I bought this, and I told you guys when I bought the calls. I bought them early. But I told you guys I was buying them early.
Parker saying that some stable coins and central bank digital currencies being considered could potentially be used more regulatory for payments.
So now what I want to see on the Nasdaq, we're coming into the top of the hour. We have 2,800 net buyers. Thank you, James. Did you get any today? Again, I told you guys I was buying Tesla early. You know, we're not an options room. So we got 2 targets off. You guys may want to shut your crude bots off ahead of news. You know, we've got crude inventory today. Maybe a long entry on a pullback to 78. Going to get a runner's going to get taken out here. But got 2 targets off. Small sellers here, guys. Pending home sale. Yeah, crushed it. I'm surprised pending home sales is actually still beating. There's just no inventory. None. Absolutely none.
Order filled.
Again, you guys may want to shut your bots off ahead of crude inventories, fellas. Let's see what Nasdaq wants to do. All right, it's 10 o'clock. Your Crable break, which is your opening range high, is the high of the day. I have nothing. Let me just take a spin here.
Stop filled.
Out on Russell, on the runner.
Report citing regulators saying that 3 more UK energy suppliers have gone out of business.
3 more UK energy suppliers have gone out of business. Sandy, are you in the room? We could roll on, guys. We could roll. We just went hourly long and it's pulled back. Not gonna do it. Nine winning trades on the Russell bot this week. Do. Anybody long Nasdaq? I said, here we go. Okay. All right, guys. Good job. Boom, pop, pop. Nice job, D. Ed, Todd. Nice job, guys. We're going to want to take some risk off probably right around this 500 level. Okay. I'm watching it here. It's really got to push here. We're at a sticking point here. Thanks, Jeff. All right. I sold one. I sold two. I sold two. Nice job, Craig. That had to be your own trade, dude, because I rarely take them on the ES. So I'll hold one. Guys, we're going to have to push up through 9, back up through this hourly high. 907. If we get through, 906, whatever that hourly high is. 907. If we get through that 907, the hourly is going to flip back into longs, and the small time frame is longs. So I hit that when the 1 minute turned up, right? The 10-minute was long. As soon as that, I've got 3,300 net buyers, so I'm generally looking for longs with that delta. And as soon as the 1 minute turned back up, I took it on the 1 minute. Had buyers on order flow. Look, here's order flow. You can see where I hit it, right? The 1 minute turned up, stacked imbalances, and I caught it right there at the imbalance. Really would like to trade this at least up into 16.
Stop filled.
Crude inventory in about 5.5 minutes. Come on. Failing again at the same spot. Same spot. You do have block buyers right here. Somebody just bought 36 cars. Yeah, it does. I agree, Mimi. Guys, if we get above that 16, we're going to target 950, 60 area. We've got to get above that 16 area. I'm going to get one more cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Actually, a Red Bull. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Just cannot get above this hourly. I'm going to kill this.
Order filled.
Done. Crude inventory in 2.5 minutes. I won't pay a whole lot of attention to it. I'm sure it's some 2 million barrel. Yeah. Draw of 2.5 million. Gasoline looking for an increase of 1 million. Distillates looking for a draw of 1.5. I'll look at this again for another long if we take out the hourly. Short of that, let me take a look around. Take a spin around the mountain here. Long YM. Long YM. 10, but we have the same issue on the Y. Well, the hourly is actually long, but you're on the YM. You're going to have to get above 400, maybe 405. If YM gets above 405, it can go ways. RTY. I'm sorry, that's the ES. Still longs on the ES. You probably have what looks like another 10 handles in it, 383. RTY. Chopping around. Can't get above small time frame stuff. Gold. Massacred. 1677. We're going to test that August low. Crude sideways ahead of, inventory.
Crude at plus 4.6 million barrels.
Big miss, plus 4.6. Build in all three categories.
Stop fill.
All right. I turned my crude bot back on. Crude bot is back on. All right, guys. I think we're going. Oh, that's crude. Never mind. I was going to say, it looks like we're going to sell.
As we've been seeing, total domestic production continues.
Nice job, Deepak. Nasdaq sitting on support here. This has to bounce, like right where it is. We're losing all buyers, or many buyers. Nasdaq, I think, hourly failed again. Failed at that pivot again. right? So watch. We're surely going to trade back into this 32, but the 10-minute, we're coming down. We closed below VWAP. We're coming down. The 10-minute, as soon as that flips, I'm hitting it short. Should have taken the 1-minute short right at VWAP. Oh, Welsky. Sell them all back. I have no bot trades. Nasdaq. Looks like it's going to short. I changed the settings on the Nasdaq for a trade to the old settings. Getting a bounce. Below 2,000. 10 minutes gonna squeeze. We're below VWAP, guys. We're coming down to 11. Next 15-minute candle, not for 12 minutes, but I think we're going to see the bottom of the range now, right? This is the bottom of the range. 50, 750. We're surely coming to 12. If you guys want a small trade, if you're not short below VWAP, you can probably get to 12 from here. We may pop to 33, but everything is turning over. It's about what I expected, guys, coming in. I said I thought we would trade higher the first 30 minutes to an hour. Now I think we trade back possibly into the lows of yesterday. Let's see what we get. We're holding the pivot or a pivot. If you guys are in Boeing, you may want to take your money off the table. I'm out of Tesla. Crude didn't short. Crude did not short. If the 1 minute goes long again, we can take it long. It's back above VWAP. As soon as the 1 minute flop pops back up, we can try another long, maybe just a pullback to find buyers here. I don't know how crude is finding a bid. It was just a big miss. They were looking for a draw of 2.5 million in oil. That missed. Came in at plus 4.6. Gasoline, they were looking at a little bit of a beat in gasoline. Plus 1 million. It came in at plus 200,000. And they missed in distillates. In diesel, looking for a draw of 1.5, came in at plus 400,000. So I don't know why crude would even have the audacity to bid. Should pull back. You can short Nasdaq on a break here. We're pulling everything up. We're setting up to come lower. Now, that could be starting at 11 o'clock. I think we're moving down to the bottom. I don't have a trade yet, though. But I'm inclined to want to sell it. <clears throat> 6 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. No size buyers or sellers.
Order filled.
Come on, Nasdaq. Come on down to 20. Come on down to 11. Come on down to 11. You can short 26.50. I don't like the stop, but hang on, guys. I'm back. We're going to break those London lows. RTY has had every trade was a winner. Yeah, every trade has been a winner on the RTY this week. 9 for 9. 2, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 10 for 10. RTY has not had a losing trade this week. All right, guys, if this 1 minute turns up again, I'll fire it again on the long side. Doesn't look like it's going to, but it's trying to fire a short is what it looks like to me. We're trying to move lower.
Maritime minister saying that sanctions in the UK French fishing rights dispute could involve energy supply, UK students in France, railways, and trade.
Chunking around, chunking around, chunking around. Nice, Daryl. Talk to Keith. He's fully funded. I think he has 2 funded accounts. I think he's got 2 fully funded accounts. There is no new RTY bot setting. There is no new setting for the Russell. It's the same settings on the Unirenko. Actually, I take that back. It had a losing trade today. You dog. It did have a losing trade today. My bad. I apologize. The first trade was a loser. Yeah, mine did too. Mine did too. I apologize. I go over them at the end anyways, guys. So, you know, if I make a mistake, we're going to see them when I go over the trades. All right, guys. I'm going to take a Nasdaq long right here.
Order filled.
Right there. Hang on. I have 1 contract on.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Come on. Come through here. Big seller here with blocks 25 and 33. There we go. You go get you some. There we go. If you guys want $300, take it. If this gets up through 58, 59, it goes 65 and then 74. So we got a shot of 65 and 74. Got to come through 57.50. There it goes. $800 trade. Now we've got to come through 66. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. Had 800 in it. Back down to deuce. Come on, bounce here. Right here. Bounce. Bounce. We had the big seller here. God darn it. We had the big seller right here at VWAP. We failed at the 50 period on the 15-minute. All right. Come on, bounce up. Let's go. Small buyers, small buyers, small buyers, some sellers, sellers now. Come on. Buyers trying again. Buyers trying again. Damn it. That was a quick turn from up 800 to down 4.
Order submitted.
Oh, this is done. You son of a bitch.
India's chief economic advisor saying the fundamentals of the Indian economy are strong and expect strong growth for the next years.
Come on, bounce. 300 sellers in here, 280, 270, 260, 265, back to 280. This is trying to hold the 100 period now in the 15 minute. It's not gonna. Yeah, still is. I'm trying to get out of this thing, guys. I think we had our move, and that's the end.
Order filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out. I could be wrong. This could go a mile. But this volatility is getting pretty spiky. Russell's trying to go long again.
Order filled.
And it did. Russell's long again, guys. I'm frozen, so hang on. See it? I'm frozen. Unbelievable. There we go. Ninja. Gotta love my Ninja. Trade numero cuatro. Trade number 4, fellas. I got rid of a monster winning trade. Chickened out. Made a few ticks. Chickened out. Now, if you held it, next target is 79.80. 79.80. Anybody hold it? If this can get through the hourly, this can go a ways, guys. There's target 1. Target 1 filled. Nice job, Craig, out at 60. So that's 3 winners out of 4 trades today on the Russell. Target 1 is filled. Look at this, you scumbag. They got me out, guys. ES is going to go long on the bot, but it won't do it until right at 11. So if you want an ES trade, $14,900, huh? Okay. It's only 17 handles away. If it gets through that hourly, it's going to go a lot further than that.
Order filled. Order submitted. Stop filled.
On what?
Well, headlines here out of Europe.
Steady! Yeah, I did this. This is all my fault. Yeah, Chuck, I can't today. I won't have power. They're shutting off water and power in the neighborhood. No idea why. They didn't say why. I don't think I've ever seen this, where they shut off both water and power. Something about the sewers down the hill. Do. Look at this crazy, crazy moves. You can try a 63 long on the Nasdaq on a pullback. 63 with a stop at Jesus. They're big stops, but 63 would be the pullback entry. I mean, it has gotten better, at least the volatility. We're just, no longer in a directional market. You guys that had class yesterday, perfect example. Those of you that are in class, there's your bounce, right? I'm trying to nitpick it and get as close as I can. We just can't get Nasdaq to break up on the hourly. Look at this. Tesla's going to go to the target too. Yeah, dog. Guys, coming into the top of the hour, Europe closes in 35, 36 minutes. Excuse me. Anybody take 63 entry? You got 10 handles in it. Anybody take 63? Okay, nice job, Frank. 63 was the next entry. Careful with this. Out on the Russell on the runner. First target only. Nasdaq keeps failing up near that pivot. and the hourly. ES looks like it's trying to move to that maybe 433. I'm sorry, that was YM. ES looks like it's trying to move to 383. Came close. Got to 79. Russell is still longs. Still longs, just chunking around. Gold, nothing. I don't know how crude is long, but it is. Anybody remember the target I gave this morning on crude? Anybody write it down? I'll remind you. 75.92. That was at $75. Somebody's buying shop, 1,400 calls. Was it a sweep? Somebody knows something. Coming into the top of the hour. For the record, I have shut off the ES spot at this point. I will not let it take the long. It's going to fire a long. At 63 was a good entry, guys. We should trade back up to 14,900. This Nasdaq is just, I don't know. The hourly's pulling back. I think the 1 minute's going to roll. I would not buy it again at 63. No. I mean, if you're not in it, we're not in it. The 1 minute is still long. I'll be on Skype after I close the room as long as I can until they shut electricity and water won't affect me, obviously. 1 minute just rolled. As if on cue, last 30 minutes of Europe. Nice job, Mimi. Very nice. Down to 2,200 buyers. Man, I'll tell you, the volatility is crazy today. Rip up, drop down, rip back up, drop back down. Not a data position trade. Look at this stupid thing. This is what it's holding.
Finance minister goes on to say it's too early to say if Ireland's concerns over overcoming the tax will be addressed in the OECD text. Following a German headline earlier, French power for next year climbs to another record high of 127.5 million euros per megawatt hour.
There we go. Come on. Now we're on the downside. Come on. Boy, this thing just does not want to die. Come on, just die. Just die. Come on. Come on. Got it. Got it. Target 1 filled. All right. Now we're going to get a small bounce here on the 100. But this could be the beginning of the bye-bye. Come on, let's sell them off into the close of Europe. Sell them all back. We're down to 1,800. Sell them all back. As soon as that 10-minute flips, assuming it does, we're sitting right on the 0 line. If we break below 36, we come 33, 25 quarter, 19 quarter, 12. We have to break below 36. 36, I think, starts this crescendo down. Almost there. Oh.
Order filled.
Thank you, Jeff. Whoop, sorry, guys. That 36 was the break. Next target is that 25 quarter. We hit half. We had 25 half. We're down to 1,400. A break of that 25, we come 19 quarter. Break of 25, we come 19 quarter. And then 12. So we got to break 25. We're down to 1,400 net buyers. We got 12 minutes left in Europe. The 10-minute just went short. You're short on the 10-minute. The close of this candle in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So we're short on the 1, the 5, the 10, the 60, the daily. Where do you think the path of least resistance is? Lower. We're going to the bottom of the range. Got to break 25. It's holding that 25. There's a shard of support at 25. Go ahead and bounce. It's futile. Brazil August oil output fell to, I don't know, 2 point whatever they said. Come on, I really want to get below that pivot. Stay below that 100. Here's new 10-minute candle. Here we go. Come on. You know you're coming, dude. Here we go. Break 25. Still holding 25. Come on. Breaking 25. We come 19 quarter next. 19 quarter. You can look at the thickness of the candles here, guys. There's not a ton of volume, but nonetheless, we're down below 1,400 net buyers. 19 quarter. Come on. We have to break 19, and then we come 12. And then we come 12. Still trying to hold that 25 area. Come on, go below 14. We're below 1,400 net buyers. Come on. I'll do bot trades, guys, at 11:30. Oh, you dog. You're still holding that 25. Hanging up's going to lose it. We're going to get 15-minute support here at that 19 quarter. That's got to break. Right? 19 quarters, the next target. We smash that, we come 12. We come 12 ski. Got to break 19 quarter, and we come 12. And then we should work down ultimately at least to here, 95. That's where I think we come in the 11:30 candle. We are now below 1,300 net buyers. We're still trying to hold that 19 quarter. Told you, the 10-minute flipped. That was another sell signal. Come on. Come on down, dog. Come on. Here comes 12, 11.75, 12 next. I got your keister now, buddy. I got you now. We're going to the bottom of the range, guys. Come on. Give me that 12. 11.75 to be exact. Don't be a chooch. Come on. Come on. 5, 6 more ticks. We may bounce 12. Oh, you are a dog. Whoop. That doesn't move. $12.75. 4 ticks from my target. Guys, we're now going below 1,100 net buyers. We are now below 1,100. Oh, just back above. And we're bouncing. You dirty dog. What a devil. Okay, new candle. Could bounce back up to 33. We could bounce back up to 33. If you guys want to take your risk off, cool ski. We're back over 12, almost to 1,300. So some buyers came in here. This next 15-minute candle at the bottom of the hour, I think, is going to be the death knell. Boom. Here we go. Anybody short still? Anybody still holding shorts? Okay. One guy? Okay. Oh, a bunch of guys. The Longhorn. All right. Hook 'em horns. Who does Texas play this week? Oh, TCU. Guys, I think we see the bottom of the range. That's my opinion. I think we sell them all back. Hourlies could not flip into a long. They failed at the same pivot area 3 times. The daily is shorts. The hourly never went green. Tried. The 10-minute had been green since about 10 a.m. and now flipped in the previous 10-minute candle. That's usually the death knell. My 1 minute is short and has been short. Here's my 1 minute. Has been short. It's all sell pressure. If we take out that 90, we never got above the opening range high at 03.5. So my sense is we're going to bust this Crable break low. That's the opening 30-minute range low. We're below 1,000 net buyers. We're going below 900 momentarily. Yeah, I don't think they're going to help. All they can do is make it worse. Next target down is 99. 99 Luft balloons. Let them sell them all. They can sell them to hell and back. We're going below 900 net buyers here. Come on. Below 900. Below 900. Minute and 50 seconds. We get another 15-minute candle. Come on, I really want $1,000 runner. We should come to 99. We're below 900, back above 900. Yeah, you belong there. Come on. Next 15-minute candle. I just want to see a giant red candle. Less than a minute, guys. Europe closes, and I want to see what happens on this next candle. Here we go. 30 seconds. Come on, 99 coming. Let's get that Crable break. Uh-oh. 20 seconds, next candle. Uh-oh. Come on. I flat out busted him on this trade. Flat out busted him. New 15-minute. Let's go. Sell him. Come on, don't hold that bottom. Come on. We could bounce back to 12. We could even go to 33. They got 100 buyers in here. I don't think it's going anywhere yet, guys. I really want to get this to the bottom. I really want this trade. I really, really, really want to get us $1,500 runner here. Come on, puke. Puke. Just puke. Uh-oh. Come on, break that 15-minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going below 800 net buyers momentarily. Below 800. 15-minute just flopped into the shorts. Come on, break it. Break 99. Here comes our Crable. Right, so this is the same chart basically. I just have my Crable break on it. We're going to get support right here at about 95. So we're going to have to dust 95. We hit 99. We've got to break. If we break 99, we're coming at least to 90. Okay? All right, fellas. That was uber fun. I still don't think it's done. I'm not willing to close out this trade yet. So let me do this. Let's do bots. Bots were down again today. 15.22.50. Bots were down 15.22 and 50 cents. Back-to-back down days. That hasn't happened in months. Trade number one on the ES winner. I told you I was turning it off. I wasn't going to let it take that trade. I knew it would fire right at 11 o'clock. So 1 for 1 on the ES. Nasdaq would have taken just that one trade, which I did not let it take. Shut it off. I don't want to be in trades coming into the top of the hour. Russell had 4 trades with 3 winners in 4 attempts. Trade number one, the first trade right at 9:45 was a losing trade. Then we got winner, winner, winner. Crude shook me all night long. Losing trade at 9:06. Same long at 9:27. Losing trade. 0 for 2. Winner here. So 1 for 3. I told you I was shutting my bot off ahead of inventory. Spike down would have been a losing trade, but then went to all three targets. Crude was 1 for 3 after having been perfect the last 2 weeks. Last but not least, gold. We hit 99 again. We're going to sell again, guys. Did gold didn't take a trade today? No trades in gold. No gold trades. Okay, that's odd. All right, fellas, we are fixing to bust them up. Final target, if we get a sell-off today, 14,615. 615. We got a break. Here comes the Crable. I'll show it to you on this chart. It's the same chart, just a 1 minute. I got to take out that low. We're below 300 net. They're selling them all. There we go, guys. Boom! Just took out the Crable. That's it. That's your 30-minute opening distribution low. We haven't even gotten to the day low. How'd you like me now? Here we go. Let's go, Nasdaq. Come on down to 73.50. That's next target. 73.50. 73.50. Next stop. Did I tell you we're going to the bottom of the range? Guys, told you. Good old Europe. Come on, 73.50. It's inevitable. We have 70 contracts left to give them. Below 73, we come 65. Who's still holding these suckers? Here comes 65. The Longhorn. There you go, guys. Come on. We got 89, 90, 70. Come on, let's go red. We haven't been red since first thing this morning. $1,500 runner, fellas. 15 hundo on a $5 instrument. Here comes 65. Come on, 65. Where's my other chart? That's what I want. Yesterday's close. We're coming to yesterday's close. Below that, we're going to come. Maybe we get 741. Yesterday's low. We should bounce yesterday's low. If we do not, the target becomes 615. 615. Is everybody good today? Is everybody good? Is there anybody did not make money today? I mean, we had some big trades today, fellas. We're back to 128 buyers. Woohoo! They're not running in yet, guys. And we're still not blowing up yet. Thank you, Gary. These candles are the best. These trend candles are the best. Come on, 65. There we go. Uh-oh, negative delta, finally. Negative delta. There's 65. There we go. All the way to the bottom of the range. Let's see if we can make it to 2 Gs on the runner. Guys, I'm sticking around because we got a hell of a trade here. Next target, 60. Below that, 55, 50, 41. Negative delta now 220. Don't forget, I think at noon we got another one of these clowns speaking. Sorry, Jennifer. Yep. So we should tag yesterday's low. And then we could bounce all the way back up. All the way back up, fellas. We dang well better hold yesterday's low or else this will get really bloody. You'll trade to 615. Well, I really want yesterday's low. Now I'm getting super greedy. Mama needs new shoes. All right, guys. I am fixing to close this trade and wrap it up.
Order filled.
We flat out busted them. Flat out busted them. All right, guys. You can stay short. I mean, if we lose yesterday's low, I would expect that to hold. That's daily support, right? If we don't bounce at that, it's over. You have buyers coming in now, though. Look at your order flow. Back positive delta, almost 500 contracts being bought in this 3-minute candle. You're welcome, Jeff. Guys, have a blessed day, right? Back-to-back down days on the bot, which